Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to try to see if we can find that little blue box for us. When you open a browser in your online school, now I am in Chrome, so you do need to be using the Chrome browser. So if you are on your desktop, you would see the Google Chrome. You do need to complete your assignment using Google Chrome. So make sure that you are in the Google Chrome browser, and that has the icon that looks like this in the corner here. When you access that on your browser, then you should see this Equato.io. This is the little blue box that appears on your Google Doc. So when you open your Google Doc, this little blue box should appear. If you are not in Google Chrome, this little blue box will not appear. So you do need to make sure that you would copy your website, open Google Chrome, paste your Google Doc, into the browser, and that little blue box should appear. You do need to be in Google Chrome for you to use that little blue box. So now when using that little blue box, you should be able to follow the video in which that is below.